Hey guys, just want to do a quick video. We're here at Meadows Farms Nurseries looking for some fall inspiration. And just want to point this one out real quick. This is a beautyberry from Proven Winners. It blooms in summer and has this beautiful purple-like berries in the fall. So if you're looking for some fall inspiration, definitely check this one out. If you're looking for a place to get this, I don't know if the other ones have it, but definitely go to Meadows Farms Nurseries if you're in the Virginia area. They have about 18 locations across this whole area, so definitely do come and check it out. Like I said, this is I was just looking around for some fall inspiration. This one definitely looks amazing. Maybe thinking about doing this one next year in some fall containers as a thriller, but I just wanted to show this guy off. It looks absolutely beautiful. It grows about 4 to 5 feet tall and wide. And again, like I said, it blooms in late summer and it has a fall fruit, which you can see here. It looks absolutely amazing. You want to bring that in real quick? Those just look gorgeous. But again, guys, just wanted to show you guys that real quick, and we'll see you guys later.